If you want your lamb to taste bold and packed with flavor, this is the rub you need. This sweet and savory lamb rub is simple to make, but it delivers a deep flavor every single time. Full recipe link is in the description below. Into a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of paprika to build that sweet, rich base. Then mix in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1 teaspoon of ground coriander for warm, earthy depth. Next, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder to bring in that savory backbone. Follow with 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, crushed finely for a fragrant herbal note. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to introduce a gentle warmth. Then sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt to balance everything. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes. This is optional. Add it only if you want a mild kick. And finish with 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg for that final layer of warmth. Mix everything thoroughly until the blend is evenly combined and well balanced. If you love bold flavors like this, hit like and share it with someone who needs this in their next cook. And don't forget to follow SpiceRally and tap the bell icon for more simple, flavor-packed recipes like this. And just like that, your sweet and savory lamb rub is done. This makes about 4½ tablespoons, great to keep on hand. For use, add about 1 to 1½ tablespoons per 500 grams of lamb for a flavorful finish. Any leftover rub can be stored in a well-fitting airtight container in a cool, dry place, and it will stay fresh for up to 6 months. This is one of those blends that makes a real difference to your cooking. Give it a try and see how it transforms your lamb. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another easy, homemade recipe.